Hello, Voyagers. Today I'm back with another tip for VS Code and Linux. I used to work with Windows before, and there was one good feature that you could have when you were installing a software, lots of software, uh, give you the ability um, to right-click and use some features of that software. So for example, if you are installing VS Code and if you right click on a folder or file, you could open it in VS Code and or for example, zipping file, unzipping file and stuff like that. And I missed that feature specifically for the open in VS Code. And so today we're going to add that to our Linux. And my system is Ubuntu. And I believe, I guess you can do this on any Linux with just the desktop manager, whatever desktop manager has. It doesn't need to be a Gnome necessarily. So let's jump in. Um, this app, if I'm not mispronouncing it, it's Nautilus, and it's apps for Gnome. It's an app for Gnome. Um, Files, also known as Nautilus, is default file manager of GNOME Desktop. It provides a simple and integrated way of managing your files and browsing your file system. So we are going to use this. If you have not installed it, you can, let me just copy paste the name because I'm really bad with spelling. So if you have not installed it, you can, as always, sudo apt install with double L and Nautilus. So I did before, I have it, it's ready, already installed. Let me just show you how it would turn out. So for example, I have these many working projects, lots of them are not active. So for example, I want to open this folder in my VS Code. And when I right click, go to script, I have this open in code, which when I do that, it's going to be open up like this, right? And it also works for just a single file. So yeah, as you can see, I do have it. I also added another one, edit in gedit. So gedit is the default text editor in the Ubuntu, and we're gonna add that too. Let's see how it works. I do need to create a bash file. Let me go to my terminal. So the folder that we are looking for is in our home folder. We are already in the home folder, right? So we are in our own home folder. We do need to go to let me ls dot local share and Nautilus and the scripts. Okay, now I have two scripts here. I'm gonna remove them and write them with you guys. All right, or we can just take a look at it. But that's not fun, right? Rewriting it would it helps us better in learning it. So I'm gonna slash star and then go to the beginning and rm these two. There are two files want to be deleted. Yes, delete them. So if I go back to my file now, I have no script here technically. And the good thing is it shows us immediately, right? So let's create open in VS Code, right? In the script directory, we want to create a file called open in VS Code.sh. Okay. For the first line, shebang slash usr, the address of your bash. It's in user bin bash for me. And it's really simple. So as you may know, if you type code command, it opens a VS Code, just a new window in the VS Code. But if you can give an argument to it, or a couple of arguments actually, I have not checked, but the first argument that it receives is either a file or a directory. So Nautilus, when we right click on a file or folder, the first argument that receives it or gets in is the address of that file or folder. So when we do $1, it means the first arguments given to this bash script, which Nautilus is taking care of that by our right click. It's going to print it out here, so it's going to be code that file or folder address, and that's it. So we just Control save X. So one thing we have forgot is to make our bash script executable, because by default they are not executable. So we are going to the script that we have created, and we used chmod plus X. So we are adding execution permission to our code, and I'm most probably we are going to see it, but if not, we can, yes. So we can see open in VS Code, and if we do that, it's gonna work. VS Code is opening up. So let's write another one, right? We can say edit in gedit. Okay, gedit is a program. This is just a name, right? This is the name. The name of your script is the name that you will see in the script submenu when you right click on a file or folder. And then we say sh, and then shebang dash usr bin bash, and then we say gedit, and again the same first argument. Control S, Control X, which is save and exit, and we need to give the permission, and now it's it has the execution permission, and when we go to a script, now we have it. But we cannot do it on a directory, because, well, directories are not text. What we can do is just go on a text file and right click, gedit, and it opens it up, right? Yeah, so that's it for today. It was a small tip. I hope it helps. It's really easy to create small bash, and you can access them with your right click. Hope it helps. Give me feedback, comment, or any ideas you want, or anything you want to learn. I would be more than happy to create them for you. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching till here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have fun.